Hi, and welcome to IT and Gadget Solutions on YouTube. I'm Craig, and today I'm going to be going over how you can share an external hard drive over your network. Now, this will be shared over my Windows laptop and my iMac as well. The drive we'll be using today is a Western Digital external passport hard drive, one of these babies. They're quite durable. I've had this now for over a year or two. They're pretty stable, really good. I use it for anything really, back up my files or etc. Move my files now. Now I'm able to use this as a external hard drive on the network. This will become a ground barrier for all my backups of my files across both of my devices here. So further ado, let's get into the video on how we can share this little baby over the two devices as well as other devices on the network. Now, whether you've got another office in the home, or this can also be accessed through the internet if you've got remote software you can use from outside. Advisable to have some kind of security when you use that, but it's pretty well good. Obviously my network is all wired, so I don't get no problems. Speed wise is pretty consistent. Obviously I'm in one room and I've got my own devices all set up with this external hard drive. So what we'll do now is we'll get into this video, and I will just connect it to the computer. As you can see, Windows has detected the hard drive, and it should be there. Now, what we need to do now, obviously on your Windows laptop, is we need to have access to the drive itself. Now, this drive here is called New Volume. It's blank, it's been wiped. I had files on it, and I used disk management to create a brand new blank slate of the drive. It's a 1 terabyte, so it's pretty massive. So yes, so let's get really into what we need to do. Now we'll be using the security features, the sharing settings on this computer, on this laptop first, and then I will show you then how you can access it on the Mac. And it's just straightforward on the Mac, but it's just a few settings on the main laptop I'm about to show you. Now what we need to do is now, if I just zoom in on there, you could see New Volume. Right, right click, and we need to go Properties. Obviously you need to have File Explorer open for this, but now this is open. Now there's two tabs we'll be using. There's the sharing tab and the security tab. So we will need to go to the sharing bit first. Now as you can see, it is not shared there. It's drive E, and the network path is nothing there. So what we need to do down here in advanced sharing, you're going to go advanced sharing, then you want to check the box share this folder, and now you can name your drive. Now whether you want it for whatever you want it really, you can name it, say we name it external hard drive network for this purpose. Right, okay, so we'll go apply. Okay, now that is done. Now we need to go to the security tab on here, as you can see at the top left hand corner. Now this group is already done, so but some underneath the permissions tab here, you could see it, not all ticks are there, so we need to go from one to another to make sure we can have all full allow attributes to create folders on the iMac itself or on the other computers as well. So what we need to do is we need to go edit. Now in the permissions for new folder E. Now we've got authenticated users, allow all for full control. System is already ticked. Administration is already ticked, and new users is already done, and this should be done. If not, just check them and apply. Oh, we run into a little problem here, so just go OK, and we'll just go back into it quickly for you. I don't know what happened there. We go back to sharing. Right, it is shared, so I'm sharing. That's all done. That's why we need to go into permission. So if I just back up a little bit, what's happened is I've gone one step ahead. What we need to go, forgot to mention is you've done with the security tab, so you need to go back to sharing and advanced sharing and permissions. This is why, that's what happened. If you don't set your permissions, you will run into that problem and you can get all sorts. But what we need to do is we need to full control and apply, and OK, and apply again. OK, now that should be shared now. It's shared, and the laptop, as you can see, the network path is there. External hard drive network on the laptop, 30K HCCC1, and it's all fully shared now. Now this is done. Close all these tabs down, and we are done on the laptop. Now we're going to go over to the Mac. As you can see, I'll just bear with me while I log in. Right, on the iMac here, obviously you need to open Finder, and you want to go to Network. Can you see that? Oh, sorry. And then you should have your devices on whatever your network have, whether it could be iMacs, netbooks, desktop PCs, anything. But in this purpose, we'll be using the laptop. You want to go laptop. Now we need to initialize the laptop to be recognized on the Mac. Now it was connected, but we need to disconnect from it to make an effect, and then hopefully click one of the folders and it should initiate. Now we're connected directly to the laptop, as you can quickly see there. I was just being a bit quick. You normally get a little tab at the top right hand corner saying you're connected to the laptop itself. Now we are connected directly. We're going to go to locations under my iMac laptop, and as you can see there, in the second folder in is external hard drive network. That is our external hard drive, which is this one, which is connected directly into my laptop, and I'm accessing it on the iMac itself. We click on there and that's it, pretty much. My Mac is recognised as a drive, so now you're all fully connected. So when if you exit Finder, you don't have to go through the process I've just shown you. You go Finder, and you go onto your iMac, it's not obviously Craig's iMac, or your name, and you should have all your drives, your network, your Mac OS Catalina drive, and any other drives you might have shared already if you don't know, or folders. As you can see on the second one in, we've got external hard drive network. And for a little quick demonstration, what we can do from here on the Mac now is we can create a new folder. So we can do literally everything on the Mac, as well as the laptop itself. You can do the same, vice versa. You can create folders and you can pass over files, etc. Obviously now we've created a new folder on that external hard drive. It's a Western Digital if you're interested. That cost it's the My Passport version. It cost me about 40-50 quid back when I had it, when I bought it for I've had a few years, but yeah, it's ideal. So that is really, thanks for watching my video on YouTube. I greatly appreciate it. And now you know you should be able to share your external hard drive or any other folder for that aspect on your network. I'm Craig, this is IT and Gadget Solutions on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on, and thumbs up for my likes. Thanks guys.